You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation if you want to learn more names from French and French gastronomy, and names of different other liqueurs and spirits, drinks from France. Make sure to stay tuned, you got them all. I'll link to them at the end of the video. Chambord is the French pronunciation. Liqueur is how we say liqueur in French. Chambord with a silent D. Liqueur. Liqueur Chambord. Or in English you can say it as Chambord Liqueur. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.